Hi friends, in this video we can check how to install WordPress on our Windows 10. So you have to download a free software calling Psalm from the apachefriends.org. Just download for Windows. Wait till the downloading finish. Okay, once downloaded, just open that folder. And this is the antivirus warning. Just ignore these things. Just click on OK. After that, click on next and click on next, and you can select a folder. Just click on next. After that, next, and you can see a window like this on your Google Chrome. Just open that and wait for the installation finish. Now just click on allow access and your computer will be automatically restart after that. And now just open the folder on your C drive or program files folder. Just open XAMPP start. You can see a command prompt like this. Just click on allow access. Okay, now go to your Google Chrome and type like this localhost/dashboard. From there, open the WordPress logo and download the WordPress. You can see the download option. Just log in with your Google account and just accept the terms and conditions and you can download. Once you finish that, you can open the WordPress file and you can install it on your computer. Select the language, click on OK, click on next. You can select a folder, click on next. You can add your login, your real name, email address and all other settings like the application password and everything. Click on next. Blog name, you can add your website name here. Click on next. All these things are optional. If you want, you can enable that. Click on next. Click on next. And wait for the installation finish. Okay, now our WordPress is installed on our computer. Now we can open that. Just click on finish and open. This is the website address. You can see this is the 127.0.01 and /WordPress/admin. This is our login ID. Login URL. Here you can add your email ID and password and you can log into your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can see this is the front page of your website and you can add a theme. You can add your theme on your website. Just click on install now. Once you finish that, click on activate, and all these things are working according to your speed of the computer and the processor. All things are depend on this. Once you finish that, you can also install plugins and you can start working on your computer for your website. So you don't need any domain or hosting for creating a website. You can test these things on your computer itself. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel.